They were enjoying pizza when suddenly he said,
咱今天晚上就一人一块啊，要不然太晚了吃披萨我变胖。
我不怕胖，
美之前你答应我的，说话得算数。
那吃不完可怎么办？
我放冰箱里啊。
her husband immediately put the pizza in the fridge, but he set up a camera right next to the pizza to test his wife. 7 seconds later, the target was spotted on the security cam. At first, she didn't see anything, but then...
这个披萨的盖儿没盖好，我没想吃啊。看我面膜，往上敷个面膜也行。
She tried to act like she didn't care about the pizza, but something happened, and
刘志华，你这点信任都没有吗？弄个手机什么意思？
if he set up a camera, that means he doesn't trust her, so
有偷吃？
没有，我来敷面膜，我发现你抱着个手机，不披萨有什么好吃的？我是来敷面膜的。
那你拿着面膜走吧。
she didn't expect this from her husband.
放凉了就不好吃了，哥哥。芝士就不拉丝了。
But then,